Hello, my name is Naufal Zaki Chundoko and I would like to present my individual assignment about dialogue A, B, C. The first one is answering the question from dialogue A. Number 1 is describe the speaker's relationship. What form of address do they use? The relationship between Gretchen and Dr. Hampton is a PhD student and the chairman. Gretchen uses doctor as an academic degree that Henry Hampton has. Question number 2. Where does the conversation take place? What is the topic of conversation at Dr. Hampton's office? And the topic is Gretchen invites Dr. Hampton to a dinner party. Number 3. How does Gretchen introduce the invitation? Why is she being so flexible about the time in her invitation? Gretchen introduces her invitation by telling she is celebrating her dissertation and then invite him to a dinner party because Dr. Hampton is her chairman. Question number 4. What kind of gathering is it going to be? Is anyone besides Dr. and Mrs. Hampton going to be invited? It is a dinner party and there is no one invited besides Dr. Hampton and Mrs. Hampton. Question number 5. What is the function of lines 24 to 26? It is to reduce the formality of the conversation. Question number 6. What do you think the guests will be wearing to the dinner party? They will probably wear a formal outfit. Question number 7. How formal is the dialogue? It was very formal dialogue until Dr. Hampton would like to be called Henry. Moving on to dialogue B. Question number 1. Who calls whom on the telephone? Why? Don calls Tom. Don wants to invite Tom to bowling. Number 2. What kind of invitation is there? It is a casual invitation. Number 3. How does Tom react to the invitation? What is his reply? He said it looks fun, but he cannot join. He said, well, it sounds like fun, but actually I have really got a lot of homework to do just now. Question number 4. How does Don feel at the end of the conversation? He seems disappointed, but he wishes Tom luck on his exam. Number 5. What is the level of formality in this conversation? The level is an informal conversation. Next to the dialogue C. Number 1. Why does Kathy call David? Because Kathy wants to invite David and Shirley for a dinner. Number 2. What form of address do the participants use? They use a nickname call to each other. Number 3. Notice that Kathy does not identify herself. What could explain this? He maybe calls David by the personal number on the handphone. Number 4. What can you say about David's attitude towards Kathy in lines 6 to 8? How eager is he to accept an invitation from Kathy? He is very honest by telling his plan. He really wants to accept the invitation by asking what exactly Kathy's invitation. Number 5. What is the result of the invitation? The result has not known yet until David calls Shirley again tonight.